So we'll go around to the back. Okay, this is an Audi Q5. On the Q3, on most of the models, will be very similar. It is found, if I can, on this cover here. Okay, so it's that there, this cover. So let's go around. It'll be best on a ramp. Obviously I haven't got a ramp, so you can get into it this way. In here, it is this cover. You remove. Once you've removed it, there's the module here, right here. And what you have to do is basically change the module. I don't know, pricing will vary car for car, but they're all the same for the VAG wheels. They're all the same fault, and it'll be same pricing. The other alternative would be to map it out, but that's down to yourselves. Obviously, you got to make sure the car is legal. The wiring, that module is here, as you can see the diagram. So that's the part you need. Change it. It's very easy. I mean, if you're handy, I'm pretty sure you can do it yourself, no issues. Pretty damn straightforward. And that's the AdBlue tank there, as you can see from this image. Replace them. You probably, well, I don't think it's a probably, you'll 100% need a diagnostic machine equivalent or something similar to this to reset it, and once you've done, it will actually delete the light. But that's where you would start off with, and that's what that fault code means.